Hi everyone, my name is Skov. I'm a medical doctor and a clinical microbiologist at Statens Serum Institute in Copenhagen. Last year I was elected as the educational officer for ESCMID, and it is in this role my very big pleasure to invite you to this year's ESCMID, where we have 27 different workshops on the program. The workshops are spanning a very big area this year, from NGS, AST in the famous UCAST workshop, prosthetic infections, HIV management, as well as guideline development. I especially would like to present two topics for you today. One of these topics is on implementation research, which I find is far underestimated as the important tool it actually is for getting sustainable AMR mitigation. In fact, implementation research has the possibility really to support the development of solutions both to prevent as well as to reduce drug-resistant infections. The workshop is called Implementation Research in Antimicrobial Resistance, Framework, Challenges and Opportunities, and takes place on the 11th of July at 3:30 p.m. It will give you a deep dive into implementation research on AMR, including into prevention, behavior change, as well as surgical prophylaxis. The second workshop is on COVID-19, which will take place on the 12th of July at 10:30 in the morning. This workshop will present a review of the standards of care in the treatment of COVID-19, as well as the challenges that is seen especially in low and middle income countries, and the adaptability of optimal standards for regional needs. So all in all, I really believe that this year's educational program is really interesting, and I'm really excited to present this to you and hope that you are just as excited as I am. And I really hope to see a lot of you behind the screens during the 4 days of ESCMID. Take care and have a good day.